Did you know that anise has been used for centuries for its incredible medicinal properties? In fact, anise is mentioned in the Bible for its numerous health benefits. So let's dive into the biblical power of anise and unveil its surprising benefits. Anise, also known as Pimpinella anisum, is a flowering plant that belongs to the carrot family. It has a distinct licorice-like flavor and is commonly used as a spice in cooking. But its uses go far beyond just adding flavor to your meals. In the Bible, anise is mentioned in the book of Matthew, where it is praised for its healing properties. It is said to have the ability to alleviate digestive issues, such as bloating and gas. So, if you're struggling with digestion problems, anise might just be your solution. But that's not all. Anise is also known for its antibacterial properties. It contains compounds that can help fight off harmful bacteria in the body, making it a powerful ally in boosting your immune system. Furthermore, anise has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, providing relief for conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. So, if you're looking for a natural way to ease inflammation, anise should be on your radar. Anise is also believed to have a calming effect on the mind and body. It has been used in traditional medicine to relieve anxiety and promote relaxation. So, next time you're feeling stressed, consider incorporating anise into your daily routine. In conclusion, the biblical power of anise is truly remarkable. Its benefits range from aiding digestion to boosting the immune system, fighting inflammation, and promoting relaxation. So why not give anise a try and experience its amazing health benefits for yourself? Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.